Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. In this video of Facebook marketing course, I'm going to show you, or basically I'm going to make you understand about custom audience, right? So I'm going to first explain you that what is custom audiences. Then I'm going to show you how you can create custom audience for your business as well, right? So let's directly get into my Facebook ads account and learn about this. So guys, as you can see right now I'm in my ads manager. Now in order to find custom audience option, first you have to click on this all tools option and scroll a little bit down. Here you will be able to see this audiences option. So here you will be able to create your custom audience. Now let me explain you that what custom audience exactly is. Basically, the type of audience who previously have interacted with your business will be known as custom audience, and it can be any kind of interaction. Let's say you have created your Facebook page, so they might liked your product, the post, Facebook post, they might commented on your Facebook post, or they might have watched any of your video, or they might have visited your website, they might have visited your Facebook page, they might have visited your website and purchased something, right? So or any kind of interaction can be counted, and those kind of audience counted as a custom audience. Now you might be thinking that how you can create a custom audience for your business, because let's say if there's a type of audience, or there's a group of audience who have visited your website, so there's a high chance that they might convert next time. Now let's understand how to create a custom audience. So first click on create custom audience, and when you click on create custom audience, you'll be able to see two groups. The first one is your sources and the second one is meta sources. So under your sources, you will be able to see sources which comes under you or your business, like your website, your application, mobile application, your catalog, your offline store or activity, your and other customer list which you have created by selling products offline, right? So these are your sources, and these are meta sources like videos, lead form, instant experience. I'll be explaining all about these. Then Instagram accounts, events, Facebook page, and on Facebook listing. So these are meta sources, right? Now how you can accumulate or how you can gather these datas. Let's say if there is a interaction in Facebook or meta sources, then meta will automatically define, or meta will automatically determine, able to determine that this is the interaction and I have to accumulate this data. But what about these external sources? So for gathering data from your website or from your mobile application, you have to paste a pixel code which Facebook provides you, right? So you have to paste that pixel code into your website's backend or your mobile application's backend, so that Facebook can track your website visitor and mobile app visitor, right? And extra activities. Now let's start with the website. That if you select the website, what will be the procedure to collect the data, right? As you can see, I have selected the website. Now we are going to create a custom audience using website. Hit the next button, and here you will be able to see a panel like this. Now it is asking that what is your source. If you select here, this is the source, basically the demo pixel which I have pasted in my website, right? So the name of that pixel is demo pixel. You can name that pixel whatever you want, it is totally up to you. And through that pixel I'm getting the data, so that's why it is showing me as source. Now here you have to select the event, that what kind of event you want to add in this particular audience, like all website visitors, people who visited specific web page, or people or visitor by time spent. So if you select visitor by time spent, you can set the timing as well, like these are the percentile, 25%, 10%, 5%. And here you can set the retention as well. Let's say in last 180 days, who have spent 25% time on my website, that will be counted as my custom audience in this custom audience category, or in this custom audience list, right? Let's say if I select all visitors, and here I have added the retention of 180 days, so people or the audience who have visited in last 180 days will be added into this list. Here I can name this list, the audience name, and here I can add the description if I want, and I can create a list, right? So this is how you can create custom audience using your website's data, right? Then if I go to app activity and hit the next button, here I haven't added any application, that's why it is showing that no sources are available. But if you add the source, you'll be able to see the same options, same settings, which you can configure by yourself, right? Now if you have a customer list, let's say you have an offline store as well, and if you have gathered some data, so what you can do is you can add that data in a Excel sheet, and you can enter that Excel sheet here. Also that sheet template will be given by Facebook itself. First you have to add your business, and once you add your business, you'll be able to see that custom audience Excel template. Let me just select it, add business. It is showing that I have reached the limit, that's why I'm not able to add. Anyways, there's no extra thing. First you have to download the template, you have to fill in all the details like name, number, email address, and extra things which you have accumulated from your customers, and then you can upload that list into your option, and that particular audience list will be created as a custom list. Oh sorry, custom audience. Now offline activity, same as the previous options, you have to set all the things. First you have to add the offline business source, also you have to set the offline event as well in order to use this option, otherwise you'll be not able to use this option. Then we have catalog option. If I click here, this is basically on the basis of catalog. If you have created your catalog on your website, and if someone has checked out those product sets or catalog, then you will be able to create a list or a custom audience list of those particular audience category, right? So this was all about your sources. Then we have meta sources. So under meta sources, first we have videos. If I click here, here you will be able to see, first you will be able to see the engagement, that what type of engagement does the user does, right? Like people who have viewed at least 3 seconds, at least 10 seconds, then 15 seconds, 25%, 50%, 75%, 95%. So you can select those type of audience, and once you select, you can set the retention days as well, you can name the audience, and you can add the description if you want, and you can create the audience, right? Then we have Instagram account. Obviously you will get the same options here as well, and these are the options, basically events, right? So everyone who engaged with your profile account, then anyone who visited this profile accounts profile, then account center account. So these are the events. If the event is done, you can set the retention days, and obviously you can name, description, and done. So this is how everything goes. You just have to check it by yourself as well. As you can see, in leads we have event. First we have event, and in events we have only 3 options. Anyone who opened this form, if you have run your ads lead form, or you have created your lead form somewhere on Facebook, and if anyone has opened that particular lead form, that can be targeted through this custom audience list. Then account center who opened but did not submit the form, or account center accounts who opened and submitted form. So all 3 types of audiences can be used using this option, right? Now if I click again in events, hit the next button. In segment, these are the segments: people who responded, going, or interested, right? People who have responded going, people who have responded interest, people who have visited the event page, people who have engaged. So if you have created any event, and if there is any interaction related to those event, you can create a custom audience of those interactions, right? Now we have instant experience. Instant experience is kind of a small website which Facebook creates for you. It opens instantly, that's why its name is instant experience. And if you have created your instant experience, and if there's an interaction with your uh, Facebook instant experience, you can create a custom audience of those audience as well who have interacted, right? Then Facebook page, obviously you'll get the same options. like who have interacted, retention days. So everything is there. You have to explore by yourself as well. Then shopping, Facebook, on Facebook listing, and AR experience. So this is all about custom audience. I hope you understood, and I hope you try to create your own custom audience. And if you haven't added your pixel code into your website, your mobile app, then first visit our Facebook marketing course playlist and learn how to add a pixel code into your website and start gathering some data. Then you will be able to create your custom audience, right? And before that, creating custom audience is not possible with your sources, but meta sources you can create even without adding any pixel code. You just need to if you want to create custom audience with your Instagram account, connect your Instagram account first, get some data, and then you will be able to create a custom audience, right? And if you want to create a custom audience with your Facebook page, obviously you can create. Just try it. I hope you understood. I hope you like the video. If you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.